Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to pin your old video on TikTok. So pinning the old video makes the video being like in the first line of our profile here, so it will be like stay in this side, in this upper line, and it makes like people when people like come into our profile, they will like see those video first rather than the other video. So how to pin the video? We just need to go into the video that we want to pin. For me, I want to pin this video since it has like a lot of viewers. Then open the video, and after that go into these three little circles here, and there is a pin options right after the save video. Just click the pin options. And now how to check it? Just go back into the profile sections, and now just scroll up, and the old video is already pinned and it's on the first rows of your profile. So that's all for today's tutorials, guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel if you find out this video is very useful for you.